angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card reading. Who is coming next for you? Singles, couple, whoever you are, friends, whatever is your love relationship, who is coming for you, ex or next? So many of you requested this reading, friends. Here it is now. I hope you will enjoy and find this reading helpful. Friends, please do subscribe Magic Wins Tarot. Friends, please do subscribe, like and share our channel if you haven't already. Please, many people watch but don't subscribe. It breaks my heart, friends. Please do subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, many angel blessings to you. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across them, they will help you out in some way or the other. I also have the love scrolls as you all requested. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. So let's take a deep breath and relax. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose pile 1, this beautiful green stone. This is very beautiful. Pile 2, this beautiful pink stone. Pile 3, this beautiful purple stone. So relax, take a deep breath and choose pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section below, friends. Like always, you can directly go there and choose your pile. You can also watch the entire video. You can choose more than one pile. Yes, friends, more the merrier. No problem in choosing more than one. So let's see. For those who chose option number 1, who is coming next in your love life, whether it is your ex or someone new, ex or next. This reading is whether you are couple, single, married, not married, friends. You can watch this reading for fun, for entertainment, and if you are single, you can definitely, or if you are looking for love, you can. This is definitely the reading for you. If you chose this beautiful aqua green pile 1, wow, this is a beautiful stone. This is lovely. I feel very happy, refreshing vibes coming to you. This is your romance angels, and this is the advice card for you. We're gonna look at that at the end. Wow, your cards are the world. Oh, the 5 of swords. Very nice. 6 of wands, the sun, the magician, the page of pentacles, and the page of swords. We already have a couple here, friends. Congratulations. Why number 31 and number 40 co-create? Oh my god, friends, I'm gonna keep it aside for a little while. Sorry, friends. We are going to see what's happening first, and then we're gonna look into the scrolls. I feel, friends, this is who is coming next towards you. I feel you could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is coming towards you, friends. I feel there could be 2 people coming towards you, but I feel definitely it could be either or of them, like, you know, a page of Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you could be these sun signs, friends. I feel someone who is coming towards you. I feel someone from your past is coming back. Sorry to say, I think some of you don't want to hear it. Why I'm telling you this, let me just tell you why. I feel this person has ghosted you, they have blocked you, and they have tried to move away from this relationship. They have turned their back on this relationship, but somehow they are not able to forget you. I feel like you also walked away from this relationship. You know, you have also walked away from this person, but somehow this person, there was an ending in this relationship. This is someone definitely someone who left you or you left behind because there was a lot of you were unhappy in that relationship. This person was not being honest, they were not telling you the truth. I feel you stepped out of that relationship and you are very happy right now. uh, and you know you are quite enjoying your life, but I feel this person is keeping an eye on you. It's like this person can't let you go. It is like this person is obsessed about you, or it's not in a wrong sense, not in a wrong sense of the way, but this person wants you back. They are trying to manifest you back into your life. Whether you want this person or not, that is another matter, friends. But this person, your ex, your someone you left, someone who ghosted you, someone you had an argument with, someone you tried to shut the door on, like, no, go away from me, bye bye, you are too much of work or something. Someone was immature, I feel, in the past. They are trying to manifest you back again into their life. They feel like you are perfect, and you know they realize that they were immature in the past and something didn't work out, and you know they want to offer this beautiful pentacle, something grounded. They want to offer you something that's solid, and something that is beautiful. I also feel like, you know, they feel like they will be successful if they come towards you, or if they do talk with you, or if you do get into a relationship again. They definitely feel this relationship has a lot of potential. But I feel, you know, you may not be sure of this person, or this person, I feel this person needs to change something, you know. They need to step out of their comfort zone, and which they might be doing to come towards you, because this person is definitely trying to manifest you back. I feel some of you, even if this person comes back, may not accept them, because you are doing very well in your life right now, in your career, in your job, in your life. I feel you are very focused, you are doing very well. So you may or may not accept this person, that is another thing, but they are surely wanting to come back towards you. They want to manifest you. They feel you are the twin flame. So some of you could be twin flames or soulmates. I also feel like, you know, some communications are definitely coming from this person, because you know either you have some questions like why you cheated on me. You also want to get like 50-50. It is like 50-50. I'll tell you what, I'm getting another message here. So some of you also want to get back with this person, for like talk with this person like one last time, because why you cheated on me, why you ghosted me, why you did that. You also want to talk to them. But this person, they want a relationship with you for sure. They are trying to manifest you. They want to change themselves. They want to come with all their feelings and all their truths and everything, and they want to offer you a grounded, stable relationship, and they feel they will be successful, or this relationship will be quite successful. But you, I feel 50% of you don't want a relationship. 50% of you will say yes to them. Others will ask them why you did that, and so you also want to talk to them like why you did this, why you did that, why you ghosted us, something like that. Something is like, you know, it feels like a karmic relationship which can actually you know, or like a soulmate relationship, which something is left, so you need, both of you need to come together again to sit and talk, or to learn something from this relationship. I also feel like number 31, number 23, 18, 19 and 25 are important in this connection. I feel this person definitely wants to co-create with you. They feel like you could be excellent at work together, or at creativity. Maybe you have studied with this person. I feel maybe you have you are co-workers, colleagues or something. So they feel like you can co-create a lot, and they can learn a lot from you, and you can also, you know, achieve a lot more with while you both are together. So this person definitely wants to co-create with you. I also feel this person could be slightly younger than you, or you both could be a same sex relationship for some of you. So, definitely, someone who ghosted you, blocked you, and who tried to, who was egoistic, immature in the past is coming back, or they are trying to manifest you. This person is big on manifesting you. They will do anything right now to manifest you and get you back into their life. Let me just take a clarifier. Angels, why this person wants to come back? Okay. See, mending, definitely this person wants things to get better. I think some of you also want to get things better with them, or at least keep them in their keep as friends with each other or something. I feel like you have a beautiful connection and a beautiful relationship, but somehow because of ego and immaturity and perhaps trust issues, it got bad, or something was, maybe it was not the perfect timing. What went wrong, angels? Poised fork in the road. I think this person didn't choose you when the time was there. What went wrong in this relationship? This person didn't choose you when the time was there, and you waited for them to choose you. But since they were not choosing you, they were ghosting you, not talking to you, avoiding you, you chose yourself and went out of the relationship. You and this just this shocked this person. This person is shocked by what you did. Why do this want to come back? Like, what will happen? Like, what will they say if they come back? We'll see with the scrolls, but still, like, I want to confirm. Because, they're trying to manifest you. It's very weird. Why, it's like, I think they had a sudden, why are they trying to manifest you? I think this person had a realization or something. See, exchanging gifts. Oh my God, this person has a lot of love for you. Their birth date could be 27, or number 27 is important to you. I feel November is also important for some of you, and some other month is also important. October and November. Yes, friends, October and November. I feel this person wants to tell you how much they love you. They want to this time treat you well, give you gifts, and like, they really value you, friends. I don't know why they didn't realize it back then, but now they wanted to be an equal partnership. If you felt like it was a completely unequal partnership in the past, now they want to work on this relationship. Oh my God. Let's see your advice cards, friends. Yin and yang. So definitely this could be your twin flame that you're asking about. If you don't know, they could be coming into your life next, and they could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So you will find the similar energies in that relationship. Number 22 might be significant for some of you. 222 might be appear a lot to you before this person reconnects with you. Sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron. Definitely you both have a very strong telepathic communication or connection. That is why they can't forget you. You can sense them, they can sense you, and it's growing. It's this connection is growing, like, no one can stop it right now. And I think this person is not used to it, and they are quite surprised, but now they have realized it, that it's something special, and they need to come back and fix things out here, or at least make things like, where you can be friends or something. Let's see the romance angels messages. Healing family issues, your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. I feel this person has some family issues or financial issues or some past issues. Maybe this person was married at one point of time, or maybe you both were married and things couldn't work out between you, but now they want to come back and patch up with you. Also, it could be like this person is single, but they had some issues with their family or some past trauma that's affecting them. But I feel it's going to be good. It's going to be good. This is high vibrational stuff. This is not a normal relationship, friends. This is like this person has leveled up. They have matured a little. At least they want to try. That's a good thing. And I think you have a very beautiful connection, because you have the sixth chakra, you have the exchanging gifts. Oh my God, some sort of a gift, or at least a balance is coming. Love scrolls for option 1, angels. Oh, this is beautiful. I like when readings are happy. I mean, some of you may not be happy because you don't really want this person. You are like, where are you? Nah, go away. Nope. No, sorry. Even if this person comes back, I think they will have a hard time trying to convince you. But I think they will be able to convince many of you, because you will be asking like, why now? Why this? Why that? Why, why you have changed now? You are mine. Yeah, this person is obsessed about you. They definitely want to be with you within a year. So maybe not now. Maybe this person will try to reach you now or within a year, or maybe they will start talking to you now. But in a year, you may see getting this relationship back on track. You trigger me, oh my god. This person gets triggered by you, or maybe they are just triggered by because you have the healing of family issues. They have a lot of trauma. They have a tough past, I think, or maybe a very tough childhood or something. I miss you every day. This person misses you every day. They can't live without you for sure. Red hot love alert. This person is in love with you, absolutely in love with you. And a new lover who is smart and who is sweet and kind. I think some of you actually want a new lover, or you already have a new lover. If not, you would rather have a new lover than this person. So it is like, they are also scared, like you might have a new lover. So I did tell you they could be like a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So you might choose someone else than this person. So there is that energy. Sorry to say, friends, but yeah, you have choices. Pile number one, you have choices. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, and do let me know if this reading resonated with you. Click the bell icon, friends. Many of you don't click the bell icon, so you miss out on the readings. Do click it. I post every day 4 to 5 readings every day. I try to, as much as my internet allows, but yeah, I try to post at least five readings. So just subscribe and click the bell icon. You'll never miss a reading. You'll get the notifications. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot, and visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Friends, this is Mystic C saying bye for now. So for those who chose option number 2, let's see how who is coming towards you, ex or next, friends. Let's see that. So these are your love messages. We're gonna look at them at the end. This is your advice. We're gonna look at that also in the end. Let's see. I'm excited to know who is coming towards you. Oh my god, the Tower is here. The Page of Wands is here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. 9 of Wands is here. And the Queen of Wands is here. Okay. The Page, the Queen, the Empress is here. Wow. The Six of Cups is here. And the Moon is here. Oh my god, friends. Oh my god. I'm gonna keep it like this. Wow. This is beautiful. And regeneration and not for you. Wow. Number 6. This is interesting. Very interesting. Who is coming towards you, friends? Let us see. Wow, I feel a very strong, I feel like two things from this. I feel two things from this pile too. This beautiful pink. If you chose this beautiful pink stone, I feel two things, friends. First of all, you have been through a very, very dramatic ending of a relationship. This has been very bad for you. This was a very nasty breakup, very heart-aching. You still haven't recovered from that heartache or that breakup, and you are still struggling, I feel. And you may be even unsure of love right now because you had been through so much, or maybe you had been through many repeated relationships, where even a failed marriage for some of you, where things didn't work out and all of a sudden everything collapses and you feel like destroyed, defeated. But you are trying to get back on your feet and believe in love again in some way. So I feel there is definitely, if you are going through a massive breakup, I feel a new person is coming towards you. That person is an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I feel you could also be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, our viewers who are watching it, or you could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So there is an energy of Aries, Leo, Sagittarius and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, new person coming towards you. I feel this person and you will be very similar. You both could be same sun signs, and you both will have some age gap or some sort of I feel there will be an age gap between you and this person, and there will also be like you both are very passionate, you both are very similar, very passionate, very energetic, and a very, you both are very unique and alike in the same way. This will be a very harmonious relationship. This person will feel like you have known them all your life, and this will start like a friendship. I feel this person will come to nurture you, help you or support you rather than and starting as love, but this person is coming very, 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 very quickly into your life, friends. It is a soulmate or a soul friend coming towards you. I also feel some of you do not want a love relationship anymore. You just want to get married, have a baby or something, or a family. That is what you want. I definitely feel there are two messages here, friends. If you had been going through a massive breakup, there is a new person coming for you. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So that is a new person, and it will start as a friendship. They will come into your life as a friend, as someone who wants to support you, nurture you, take you, keep care for you, and you will also feel the same way. They see your value. They see that you are very hardworking, you are very strong, and they like that. They like that thing about you. They will see you as an emperor or an empress. If you are a man, this woman will see you like you know a lot and you are wise, you are very caring. So she will try to support you in some way, maybe in your career or maybe in your life in general. So you both will have a very good friendship. It will start as a friendship, I feel, and which is exactly what you want. But I also feel like if you are dealing, if you are married or if you had been in a serious relationship with someone where you talked about marriage and all those things, that person could be coming back into your life. The one you had a tower moment with, a recent breakup with, that person wants to come back again into your life, but you will not be able to trust them very easily. I feel like you actually, I don't know, it is like, you love this person, but you don't trust them, or they act in ways where you feel like, can you trust them or not trust them? There is some fear, some ego issues coming up. I also feel you want to like get married to this person, or you want marriage and commitment or family, and that is exactly like the ultimate thing you want. Like that is why you are going into relationships for marriage and all those things. But the person from your past may be coming back to you, but they may not. They may keep confusing you about whether they want to marry you or can marry you. Maybe their family doesn't agree, maybe you are both of different religion, culture. I see a massive age gap, like not massive, but like at least 3-4 years of age gap between you and this person. Some of you may also have a larger age gap between you and them. I also feel maybe this person is married or you are married, or you had wanted to marry this person at one point of time. So you will still ask them the same question. I think this person wants to come back towards you, this past person, but you will not be able to trust them, or they will keep confusing you, I feel. So that's the reason, it's not like you can't trust them. They will confuse you in some way, like they will again make false promises or something, because you have the card not for you. So I feel like a new relationship is coming for you, and they are coming very quickly. They will come as a friend to you. It will start as friendship, but even then I feel you are going to miss someone from your past. So you need to stay careful, because maybe destiny is like taking you into new areas, but you may still be missing this old person, and you may still find love for the new person, or feel, yeah, they are good, they understand you, but you will feel like, nah, something is missing. You still feel this, you either this person is crying for you, or you will still be crying for them. There is a chance of a regeneration happening, but I feel like, there is a chance this past partnership can regenerate for 10 to 20% of you, but for others of you, I feel this is a new person who is coming towards you, and it will be a much suitable, harmonious relationship for you. Let us see. Why the what if the past person comes? What is the clarify the moon angels? Clarify. You will definitely, they'll keep confusing you. It's like they keep, like, if you want to ask them, will you marry me? They'll keep TikTok. See, some of you are like getting older, so you want, like, yeah, I want commitment, I want marriage, I want surety, at least, if that is the least you can do. So you may not be ready for that person. You may be 30 years old, or maybe elder, or maybe if you are a man also, you may have some pressure from your family to get married, because you feel like, they feel like it's time for you to settle down. So the person from your past may return, or you may want them to return. but they may still keep confusing you and giving clarity. So there is a new person coming, friends. Go for that, I feel. So what will the past person take an action towards you? What action will the past person take? Chaos and conflict. See, the number 333, it's chaotic, friends. It's conflict. It will be difficult for you both to find harmony in this relationship, at least for now, or this point, at least when we are doing the reading. Energies can shift. They shift every day. Even, like the night and the moon, like the sky, it's never the same, right? Energies shift. So right now, this person and you both may not be in agreement. What will the new person offer to you? Okay, it's destined, friends. It's destined. It's a fated connection. The new person is like a friend to you, which will support you, help you, nurture you. They may have an age gap, or they may be like, you may miss out on the passion in this relationship, or you may feel something is missing out, but it's destined, friends. This person is there for in your life for a reason. See, new life. I think some of you are going to end up marrying the new person you are going to meet. Let's see your advice cards. Then we are quickly going to see the love scrolls. Wow, cornucopia 1111. So definitely you could be missing your twin flame, or you want to reunite with them. Definite chances are that they could be coming back towards you. Victory is going to happen. Number 28, 1128 could be important to you, and 333 and 888 or 666 you might see often. But I feel even whether or not your twin flame returns back or not, or your lover soulmate returns back to you, I feel there is a victory that will happen in your love life. You are going to find a connection of friendship that will keep you well and happy. That is destined for you. Where is that? It's destined for you, friends. It's destined. And this is a harmonious, this is like a gift from the universe for all your hard work, your patience up till now. This new connection, I feel this will start as a friendship, so I will not say it is a love right away, but it may develop into marriage for some of you. Let's see your advice, romance angels message. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. So I feel you will have to accept this new person coming in. They may already be in your life, like as a colleague or a secret admirer or a friend who has feelings for you, but maybe they have expressed their love, but you haven't accepted them because you are still waiting for your past lover or twin flame to come back. But I feel you might also have to meet this person and take action. Some of you are like, you say love is coming, but it doesn't come. Friends, you also have to take action. It's not like, the love will drop into your hands. I have told you this thing many times. You have to take actions. It just cannot happen. It's like you want to lose weight, but you don't want to exercise. So it's not going to happen, right? You have to exercise or do something about it. Maybe drink a tea, whatever. You have to take even the bare minimum actions for it, right? So also some of you are like, no, it will never happen for me. So it won't happen for you if you are completely sure of no, it's not gonna happen. So in this case, I feel you also need to accept them, because I think the resistance lies in you here. So let's see your love scrolls, friends. Let's see. Perfect. Okay, so red hot love alert. So I definitely feel you are missing your past person, and they feel you both share a very strong passionate connection. And marriage, see, something about marriage is very important to you or to this person that you are in relationship or wanting to meet. I mean, like, you want marriage. A meeting, a phone call will change everything. So definitely there is a chance you will be meeting someone or getting to know someone better, and that will be life changing for you. Let us go on a trip. So definitely someone wants to take you on a trip, or maybe you will meet this new person on a trip. So yeah, marriage in 2 years. So definitely, friends, you could be getting married. with this person in the next 2 years. Marriage is the theme. I want to kiss you. You may feel like, this person definitely has a lot of passion for you, but they will start as friends because they want to give you time and acceptance, I feel. That's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vens Tarot right now, and do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot, friends. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful purple stone, let us see who is coming next for you, X or next. Let's see that, your romance angels messages, friends. We're gonna look at the advice cards. You have 2. Congratulations. Let's see who is coming towards you. Wow, Ace of Cups. This is amazing. 3 of Wands. Amazing, beautiful. 7 of Cups. Okay, Justice. Wow. Queen of Cups. The 10 of Swords. Wow, you have the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Swords. This is beautiful. 2 aces. And the 10 of Cups. Wow, you have the 10 of Swords and the 10 of Cups, the 8 of Pentacles, Observer, and yay, number 2. Wow, this is beautiful, friends. This is absolutely beautiful. First foremost, I'm getting the message that many of you are trying to focus on yourself. You are all trying to pile number 3. Sorry friends, those who chose this beautiful purple stone, I feel you are trying to love yourself, love your work, your career, or something. I mean, like, you are focusing on yourself. Most importantly, your focus is on yourself. So I think that is the most important thing that's coming towards in your love life is self-love. You are focusing on yourself, and you are having more clarity about your work or your life path, or you are learning something new which is making you very excited and happy, or you will be learning something new in your life which will make you very excited and happy. And this will make you shift your focus from your love life to your own self. I feel you are this person, this Queen of Cups or this King of Cups, taking your time in self-care, loving yourself, nurturing your body, your hair, your health, your fitness. Maybe you are learning something new. That is also coming across. I feel a new person, a brand new person is coming into your life, and I feel this is because you had been through a lot, friends. You had been through a lot of ups and downs in your life. Maybe some of you were single since a very, very long time, I feel. So you have really worked on yourself, and you had been working on yourself. For others, I feel you may have went through a divorce or an ending of a marriage or a committed partnership, like maybe a 7-year, 6-year, 5-year, 3-year, a strong marriage or a strong relationship was broken up, and you felt very sad. You felt sad, and you felt very confused also, like why this happened, it shouldn't have happened, why this happened. But I feel it happened for a reason. Maybe it happened way back for you. I feel this is not the recent energy, because I feel the recent energy is this. You are focusing on yourself, and you are very clear on what you want. You have become very developed, balanced, strong. Whether you are a man or a woman, you may have gone through an ending of a relationship or a marriage in the past. Maybe an engagement broke off. I do feel there is definitely love coming in your way. There is a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Libra or a Gemini, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces that is watching you, or that is going to offer you love. I feel like both of these two people can offer you love. So 2 new people could be coming towards you: Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. But you may not feel ready for that love, or you may feel like, confused which person to choose, or should I choose them, because you have seen that, love is difficult. You have seen that things don't usually last. or love usually ends up like this, where you have like backstabbed, people have backstabbed you, they have cheated on you, so you feel like love is not worth the time, it is a waste of time, sorry to say. And you also are doing pretty good in your life, so you will have a choice whether to accept them or not to accept them. I feel a new person is coming towards you, and they are very rich, they are very loyal, and they are very stable, and they will want to take this relationship ahead. They might be living in a different city or a country or a state. When they meet you, I feel this person and you will have some like, they are different from you, from your usual soulmate or your usual lover, your usual type. This person is different from that person or from your usual type, but I feel they want to take this to the long, they want a family, they want commitment, they want marriage, and they want long term commitment. So this person who will be coming into your life, they won't be coming for fun, or they won't be coming for just playing or just for casual dating or something. They want commitment, and I think that is exactly what you also want, or you will not settle for anything less. Even if they offer you love or commitment, you will still question them, what are you doing? Like, you will have choices, you will definitely have choices. And I feel your love for some of you is your work or your own self. I think some of you are really, maybe you are very young, some of you could be very young, and you are focusing on your work, your college degrees, your exams. So love could be coming your way, but you will be like focusing more on your work. So it will be a choice, like whether you should accept love or should you focus on yourself or your studies. That's the two thing I'm getting. But I feel there is someone who's closely observing you. They could be already in your surroundings, at your office, at your college, universities, or in your friend zone. Check your block list, friends, maybe this person is there. But I feel this is a new person, and they will be coming towards you or meeting you soon, and they will offer you this Ace of Cups and this Ace of Swords, this clarity, communication, love, everything, commitment also. I feel this person could, and you could meet through work or through traveling, or like through something related to knowledge, like school, colleges, library, something like online gaming. Maybe you both are doing some games or something, and you meet there. I feel you have to stay receptive. That is what you need to be. And this person will be very feminine. Even if they are a man, they are very kind, they are very beautiful, they are nurturing, they like to give. So, this will be quite a different person than you have ever met. Even if she's a woman, she's very caring, she's very intelligent emotionally, she understands things. So, this is a very different kind of a romance, and you may have to remain a bit, you should accept it when it comes. I see like some of you may just say no to it, or you may be like, yeah, I will see about it. I'll think about it, baby. I'll think about it. Because you have a lot of choices. Things are going well, or they will be going well for your career or your education. So you'll be like, yeah, I'm doing well on my own. So why should I all, mix things up now? As they say, like mixed drinks are better than mixed feelings. Your advice are the Magician and the Mirror, and strategies. So number 53 could be important to you, 5 or 3, like 8, number 8 could be important to you. I feel this person will bring a lot of healing and a lot of balance into your life, and you both will heal each other and balance each other. And it's like you both are opposites in some way, like they are the feminine or you are the masculine, or the other way around. I also feel number 21, both are, you are very focused on work, on career, on life goals, or maybe just self love, but or you may be like focusing on your next 5-year goals, 10-year goals. So love will come when you are focused on other things in life, and boom, they are coming, they are here. You can't do anything. And this person will make a plan, because you might say no to them, or you may, like, this person will have a plan, a solid plan. They will come with a plan, like, see, this is the time we are dating, then we get married, then we have kids, then we do that, then we do that. So they have a plan. Let's see your romance angels messages. Finances and career. financial issues are a factor in your love life. Definitely, if you are a man, you may not be looking for a love right now or a committed, deep committed partnership, because I think because of the world issues, you may be facing some financial issues or career worries. So you may like to focus on that, but you know, love is love. It comes when it comes. It's a past life connection. You have known each other before, so definitely this person and you have shared a past life, and you will not be able to resist them or say no to them. They will strategize and make you win. So that's interesting. Let me know if this happened to you ahead. Let's see your love scrolls. I will win you back, my love. So maybe this person is already in your friend circle or your social circle. They tried to win you, but they couldn't. So they may try again, or they may have to try a little. Marriage, definitely you want marriage and commitment. You want something serious. This person also wants something serious. I will marry you. See, this person is sure. This person will come with, like, they'll come with a marriage certificate. You just have to sign it. Oh my God, this is the person, you know. This is the perfect person anybody can ask for. I am coming for you. This person is getting ready, friends. You just can't stop them. Nobody can, I think. A meeting, a phone call will change everything. So definitely I feel this person may not be at first in your same city or in your country, or I feel Russia, Japan, all those places could be important to you. Or Malaysia, I'm also sensing Philippines, Malaysia. So this person is from a different place, or maybe that they work there or somehow been there. Coffee date. So yeah, you may meet this person while a coffee date. You may like reluctantly say, oh, okay, fine, I'll come for coffee. Okay. I want to kiss you, but that's their strategy. That's how they will loop you into this relationship. That is their strategy. You are wife material. Oh my God, friends. Oh my God. This person definitely wants to marry you. Congratulations. Many congratulations. What can be better than this? Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vans Tarot. And do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. And don't forget to join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. And I love the readings that happened today. They are beautiful. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.